swingful week for gold. We have seen it hitting the highs at 2430, and at the same time, we have also seen gold moving close to 2350 levels. Yes, it has beautifully respected the support and resistances which we have discussed in our weekly review last week. Now, what to expect in the coming week? Can we expect this fall to continue? Can we expect bigger bearish candle from here? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates as well. In fact, twice a day I share the updates, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two updates give you a fair idea on how to trade and where to enter, where to exit, and how to profit. Thus, subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment, which is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. Towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy. So watch till the end. Look at the 4-hour charts for gold. See, after the peak here, it has seen the drop, retracement, lower lows, retracement. Where this retracement can continue towards, see, this is trading in this bearish channel. The high is now at around 24, 10, 24, 20. And at any point of time, gold breaking beyond 2430, 2440 zone, you can say that this is coming out of this nice flag formation on the 4-hour charts. Remember this fact, it has to break beyond 2440 zone in order to confirm a breakout here. What is happening? It is delivering waves, lower lows, lower highs. Right now, yes, it is aspiring to move towards, but if you look at the last few candles, look at the last few candles here, lower highs are seen and it is getting resistance from the 20 period simple moving average. And as I say, there are going to be stronger resistances for gold till 2410, 2420 zone, and then 2430, 2440 zone. Stronger resistances will be available even if it tries to reach. See, moving averages are trading bearish. Prices have just retraced towards the moving average. That's it. And it is not yet confirming a reversal. Stochastic entering into overbought zone. But look at MACD. This is showing a very good indication here. Look at the double bottom. And this is trading with divergence. This is just couple of candles away. So possibly it could continue to retrace further on the upside. And that is why you should not treat gold bearish for at least couple of sessions. Possibility of it to retrace further on the upside exists. And as I say, once it breaks the flag formation on the candles, it can continue to resume on the upside or continue to trade on the bullish side. RSI rising here, also double bottom. Now coming to daily, look at daily charts. We have clearly seen, I have several times mentioned in my last update as well. Look at the support here. Very strong support. Look at these candles. There was a rise seen from these levels. It is again retraced towards this zone, and this is going to be stronger support zone. See how beautifully it has respected the levels, how beautifully it has respected this zone. Now the moving averages here are looking upwards and are still in the buy side. Now it is very important for gold to trade below 2350 levels, which will confirm its move towards 2320. So that is one point you should not ignore. We have to wait for it to break below 2350, then only you should treat this as bearish. Now see, on the daily charts, what has happened here, you can see this, the peak here drop, sideways movement, then a drop, and now it is trying to bounce back. But also one must see, it is very important for gold to trade above 2400 zone. Once you see it trading above 2400, we can expect it to move towards 2408, 2412, and then beyond that there could be further bullish momentum which can take the prices towards 2422 and higher levels. So yes, it could reverse, but bullish momentum is only seen if it breaks beyond 2400. The last candle is specifically lower highs, lower lows, and these are going to be good resistance and support zone as well. See, look at this zone. All the moving averages are coming together here. Also, if you look at the daily charts, what is happening here? See the rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. It is trading in this moderately bullish channel here. The lows are still far below towards 2320, 2300 levels. Stochastic oversold. Look at the MACD here has crossed over and this is trading with divergence. This is looking downwards. This is not a good sign for the. However, you should notice this crossover is coming from a fairly moderate levels. It has not much of peak available on the upside. Thus, here we have to be cautious as it could reverse and crossover again on the buy side. Right now it is trading. This also confirms how important it is for gold to break beyond 2400, 2410, 2420, and then 2440 levels. Crucial resistances available on the upside. RSI has dropped and trying to rise here. Coming to weekly charts. On the weekly charts, now, what we have seen on the daily charts, look at the lows here, higher, slightly gradually higher lows and slightly higher highs. Very beautiful flag is formed here. It has formed. And once it breaks out of this flag, there is lot much of room available on the downside here. But right now I can see it is confining its movement within the. Now look at the last two candles. What has happened? A reversal sign was seen here, shooting star formation after three green candles. Now what has happened? Increasing body size. Increasing body size suggests that there is bearishness, but it has respected 2350. So in the coming week, it is very important where it starts the week. And if it continues on the downside and breaks below 2350, remember we are looking forward to 2320 and 2300 levels as well. Yes, it could deliver a symmetry here. If you divide this into two, you will find identically symmetrical candle. This could be identically symmetrical candle as well. Second thing is, you should notice lower highs, lower lows. Thus, it is very important for gold to break beyond 2420, 2440 levels in order to confirm a reversal. Yes, two green candles, couple of retracement candle, and a breakout cannot be ignited. This is one formation. We should always look at both the sides and how and where market behaves in the charts. So if it breaks beyond 2420, 2440, that is what I said, it will break the flag formation and then it can again aspire to achieve the highs. Stochastic at top, MACD here. Look at MACD. See, look at the wave. First wave, second wave is beginning here, and we can expect that gold is willing to slide in the near future, at least a little, which means possibly if it breaks. See, we are talking about distant future. This is a weekly chart, so it is not going to happen in a day or two or a week. It is going to take a little time, but it appears that there is lot much of downside available. Why do I say so? See, the crossover here has come at the highs which gold has never seen in history, plus 100 levels. So from here also, if you look at it, has crossed over, it is trading with divergence. Now this is indicative of further bearishness available on the downside. Right now it appears to be hesitant as it is, the slope is gradual, but it appears there is lot much of downside available. RSI has come out of the overbought zone as well. Now coming to monthly. On the monthly charts, look at the formation here. This was the first rise post-COVID, then the retracement, and then since the middle or since last couple of years, gold has been trading in this zone here. 50% appreciation from the lows what we have seen. It is more than 50%. See, 1600 to 2480 it has already. Now it is going to be crucial where the current candle closes, because see, the prices are trading with little divergence from the moving average. It calls for it to converge. See what has happened here. After a stronger run, it has retraced towards 20 period, then a little retracement, and after the run it could retrace. Bigger the rise, bigger the retracement. Now if this is the reversal sign after three candles, then the current candle has to close in red, which suggests that next three sessions are going to be crucial for gold. Where it closes the month is going to be of prime importance, which also indicates that it has to trade below 2320, 2300 and then 2280 levels. These three levels are going to be the defining points for gold for the coming week. Thus, we have to be careful. We have got a larger zone as of now. Right now also, if you look at it, is trading bullish here. It is trading in green. The stochastic is near to overbought level. Look at MACD trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. See, the mouth is open here and it is looking upwards, suggestive that there is bullishness. In my yearly review, I have mentioned this crossover is at bottom and it can continue. RSI is also entered into overbought zone. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers you a free account, lowest spreads and no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. You can buy here at 2391, but the first support levels are very nearby, 2396, 2401. If it breaks this zone, I will look forward to 2408, 12 levels, the next, and then 2422, the next resistance. Beyond 2422, there will be little bullishness towards 2432, 2440. If gold breaks 2440, see, these are all critical levels here. These are all critical levels here for gold to break pass by, which also suggests how stronger resistance it will get on the upside, and beyond 2440 it will fly for 2454, 2475, 2500 is also possible in the next few sessions if it continues to trade bullish from the current level. But as I said, as long as 2440 is not taken, you should not be treating this as bullish. Prices can reverse, prices can trade bearish, prices can fall again. Even the stronger one will be this zone at 2420. Now on the downside, where you should, for the coming week, ideally it should be below 23. You can sell here at 2378, expect it to move towards 2370, 72. Now this is going to be the first stronger resistance on the downside, 2370, 72. If it breaks, stay bearish, we will look forward to a greater fall towards 2362.5, 2350, 52, and these are going to remain good great support. Now once gold drops below this, these are going to be critical support levels below 2350. I think we are going to look forward to a stronger fall which can take the prices towards 2320 levels very soon. And if it drops below 2320, we will look forward to 2290, 2280. Any drop below this will lead to a stronger correction in the near future. If not this week, then in the next few weeks, possibly the coming week. I do not see this happening, so take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Do not miss to watch the daily updates. Thus join the free Telegram channel. Do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.